Okay, so this is our first try at a router plate trim guide, and the handle and everything works great. I've used it for quite a while already, but when I went to use a bushing with it, I discovered a problem. Oops, that's not going to quite work. So we're going to have to remake that. And once we do remake it, we're going to have to make it with a thinner plastic. I think this is like a 3/8 piece of polycarb or acrylic, I don't remember which. But it's so thick that even if you notch the hole out, and I realize this is really rank amateur video here, but you know, I haven't gotten into video yet. It's not going to be thin enough to get a decent thread on the bushing retainer. So anyway, it was a good first effort, but we'll try it again and see where it goes.